Atticus, what are you cooking for Mama? Atticus. Hi, honey. Are you cooking? Yummy. Are you going to add a flour into it? Oh. That looks yummy. Are you washing dishes too? Oh. That's a pretty flower. Okay, mix it all together. Mix, mix, yay, mix. Oh, does it taste good? Does it taste good, honey? Can Mama taste too? Mama taste? Oh, thank you. Mwah. Yummy. Oh, yummy. Let me taste some more. Oh, yummy. Thank you. You better clean your pots and pans. You want to get some more? Okay. Oh, is dinner finished? Are you finished cooking? Oh, you're busy. You're busy. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you later. Atticus. Okay. Okay, am I on your way? Are you going to go grocery shopping? Okay, bye-bye.